So today Sadie Mae is going to get some mermaid makeup because she is going to be a mermaid for Halloween this year. So I figured, I just got this mermaid palette not that long ago. I ordered it off Amazon because I saw it and it looked so pretty. I haven't got to try it out yet and I've been wanting to try it. So when she said she wanted to be a mermaid for Halloween, I thought, well, we can try it out on her and try to do some mermaid makeup. So are you excited?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we're going to get some practice for her Halloween costume.
Yay!
So I don't believe kids should wear makeup, but I think on Halloween you can kind of have some fun. So this is the palette that I got on Amazon, and it's called Cleof Cosmetics. On here at the bottom, Cleof Cosmetics. I had never heard of it before, but it looked so pretty I had to get it. Have not tried it out yet, so we'll see how it works. But look how cute. It's mermaid. It's got a little shell mirror. And then look at the pretty like glitter colors, y'all. How pretty. Are you so excited? Is it so pretty?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you going to have some mermaid makeup?
Yeah.
Okay. So what I thought is, I don't think we're going to do like makeup on her eyes or anything like that. I think we're just going to add some pretty like mermaid scales on her face. So what most people do, don't touch it. So what most people do,
No more taking.
no more talking?
No.
Most people put fishnets or something on and then they use it as like a stencil to do texture. But I don't think I have fishnets, number one. Number two, I think we're just going to freehand it. So first what we're going to do is use our Too Faced. It smells like pink grapefruit. And we're going to put some sparkles all over. Ready? Okay, so Mommy's going to put a little bit of dot on her finger. Couple dots. And give Sadie Mae some glitter. We're just going to pat it on her little face. Ooh, you got sparkles. Ooh, sparkles. Show them your sparkles. Go like this so they can see your pretty sparkles. Okay. It is really pretty. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but she does have some really pretty shimmers on her face. This is the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is called White Pearl, and it's actually kind of shimmery. So like if I show y'all, this is what it looks like in the pot. Don't touch. But when you put it on, it's like a pretty shimmer. See it right here? It's like shimmery, almost like a highlighter. So we're going to use this as the base for our pretty fish scales. Mommy's going to put some on the side right here. Why did you pick to be a mermaid? Why did you want to be a mermaid? Should we use a pencil or should we use this glitter to draw it?
Yay!
I think we'll use a pencil first, maybe we'll go back over it with glitter. So we're going to draw some scales. So to do a scale, it's just kind of a curve at the bottom and then a little curve up like this on each side. And there's a scale. There's one. We got to do lots more. Okay.
It's a circle.
Yeah. Is it pretty?
It's a triangle.
So then to do the next one, we're going to do a curve against that curve. Okay.
Squares.
So next we're going to do Sadie's glitter. So I'm going to let you pick. I'm going to let Sadie pick the glitter colors that she wants to use. So pick the first color. Which color?
I want to do purple.
Purple first? Okay. So I think there's a few different purple shades, but I think the purple that matches her best is maybe this one. Okay, so I've got this little, yeah, it's a mermaid. Don't break it. Okay, so I've got this little tiny brush that I got in my Pure brush set from BoxyCharm. It's super little, so I think this will work good for what we're doing. So the first color, we're going into that purple. I'm just going to go in first and see how it works by itself. Look at that. It got a lot on the brush. I'm just kind of patting it into that outline. It looks like straight up just glitter. So I think I'm going to try to use some setting spray with it.
Yay!
Don't touch it. Did you touch it?
No.
Okay, well, she just touched it, and so there's glitter everywhere now. So I'm going to get some on the brush and then spray it with this little MAC Pineapple Fix Plus. See if that makes it stick a little better. Okay, we'll leave that alone. What's the next color you want? How about this pretty pink?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so next we're going to go into this pretty like baby pink, and it's like iridescent. Ooh, it's gonna be so pretty. I'm gonna spray it with the Fix. Oh my goodness. It's not wanting to stick up there. What is the last color? I think we should do a pretty blue.
Yay!
Yeah, so let's go into,
Let's do it.
I think we'll go into this blue right here. It's kind of like a teal blue. It probably would be easier if I had a fishnet to do. Of course I don't. Let's do this one up here with the blue. Whoa, this blue is chunky. I like them chunky. So we've got a little bit of glitter. It's not perfect. But next I'm going to take this liner. Well, it's not liner. It's supposed to be like a lip gloss.
Yay!
But I'm going to use it to outline. So it's like
my turn.
iridescent. We're going to outline the scales. It's kind of making it just more blurry looking, really. It's not really working. Are you so pretty? You're so pretty. Okay, so this is what we've got. It's not really showing up too good. My plan did not work. I think we need like a liquid liner to really get it to work. What can we use?
That one.
This?
Uh-huh.
This pink?
Mm-hmm.
Lip liner? Okay, we're going to take this lip liner and try to outline it with this and see if it works. This is kind of just a pinkish lip liner. So, this is from Flower Beauty. So let's see if this will help kind of outline it a little. Ooh.
What's happening? See?
Okay, let's try this one. Okay, this is not the easiest thing to do on a child, but we're trying to make it work. Okay, so next, now that that's done, I think we're going to take some silver. So we're going to take this silver up here, and I think we're just going to press it
Silver
over top of the line,
silver finger, where
the lip
are
liner
you?
line. I'm about to just use my finger. I'm going to get some on my finger. That just made a mess.
Oops.
That didn't work. Didn't work at all. Let me see. Hold on.
What you got? I'm not sure. Let's do it. Oh, my crown.
Hey, don't be messing with that.
I'm a monkey. I'm even to spray it. Mama, even to spray it. Oops.
Let's try this again. So, you got glitter all over your face. Okay, so our first little experiment didn't work. Our first little experiment didn't work, so we tried to wipe off most of what we tried to do because it wasn't working. I didn't have any fishnet, but I just found some. So I cut this off of a loofah in my bathroom, and I think this is perfect. So we can get that fishnet texture on the face.
Fishnet.
First, we're going to put this on her face, and I'm going to go in with this Iconic London. These are kind of like highlighter, super intense highlighter drops. So this one is in the shade Illuminator. So we're going to put this on the side of her face. I'm going to take some of this illuminator and drop some on my hand first. Kind of pick some up. This is just a little elf brush I got from the dollar store. Okay. And I'm going to stipple it onto the brush. And then, okay, we're going to put this on her face like this. Okay. Not working out. Not working out. Wiping it off.
Don't want it. No, I'm not.
Okay, so first I'm just going to take the illuminator and put it right on the cheek. It's in this little triangle shape. Next, I'm going to take a piece of this and we're going to do some sparkles. Okay, right here. But you can't move or it won't work. Okay, has to be really up against your face. Let's grab some purple glitter. It's not working. We're going to take this BH Cosmetics palette because that other one is, I mean, it's glitter, but it's like glitter, and it's not really working with this technique. So this one's got some bright colors, some pink, purple, pretty teal. So we're going to use this. Okay. We're going to start out with the pink.
I want to play.
Hold on. And tap it on. Then, don't move. We're going to go to the darker pink. You're moving. Oh, you're getting some scales. Okay. This is not working at all. Alright.
I like it.
You don't want to have mermaid scales? Okay.
I want to play.
We're done.
Mom, it's a sparkle on my arm. There's glitter in my nose.
We're done.